in the name of Camplink. You'll get to you'll get more information on Camplink later. So I hope you might have got a basic idea what ECEL is and what you all will get to learn from ECEL. So in the last I would like to say, logic will take you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere. So I'll introduce to you the core team of ECEL for the academic session 2013-14. I'd like to call Kushal Shah, Mohit Taneja, Anushri Garg, Aditi Agrawal. These are the 4 main coordinators of ECEL for this academic session. After this session, if you have any query about ECEL, you can consult them. You can consult me also. I am the mentor for ECEL for this session. So good luck, and I hope to see you all in ECEL soon. Thank you.
Along with me, my friend Mrinal, we are here on behalf of our coordinator, Siddharth Bhakna, to introduce you to Literary Committee. Ours is an IT college, but we have some literature as well. We emphasize on all aspects, so literature is also not lagging behind. Literary Committee is a group of literature enthusiasts who follow literary as well as other miscellaneous interests. But is it for you? One thing is obvious, that since I'm talking to you, I do make sense and I do mean business, and it is indeed for you. But I do mean to convey that it is not only for those of you who are already good at language, who already have an interest for literature, but indeed it is much more than that. The Literary Committee will serve you with a platter of events that will help you hone such skills, and maybe you even develop an interest in literature. How many of you feel that English or communication is important? And how many of you can write effective emails? Can you? If any one of you were even slightly uncertain about any of the questions that I asked, then believe me, Literary Committee, or LC as we call it, is indeed for you. Now I'll be giving you a glimpse of the events that we had last year, and probably we'll have some of them this year also, and much more to add. Third, we have an inter-hostel debating society which aims to promote debating culture among students. TARC hosts weekly debates on topics that are relevant to students and with which you and others also, each one of us, can easily identify. The main aim of TARC is to help you move out of your soft zones and communicate between a group of 20 to 30 people so that you can speak in public at large. Next is Jago. Last year, there was Delhi gang rape issue which was much discussed. So, being socially aware and socially active, we decided to have a group discussion on this. We even invited the faculty and we had much awaited discussion and exchange of ideas. Next was Knockover. This was a one-to-one debate with the target audience being you, the first yearites. I, along with my batchmates, we all participated actively, and it was a nice experience. Probably this will also be the first event for you guys. Since we are pro-literature, we did not want Hindi to lag behind. So we organized Hindi events also. For the poets and bards of LNMIT, we had a grand event in the open air theatre where we had a setup like this and we had a poem reciting competition. Next was Hindi Divas. On 14th of September, obliging Hindi, we had a competition called Udgar. It was an innovative concept wherein you had to take inspiration from pictures and pen down your creativity on a piece of paper. For the writers and those of you who have a penchant for writing, we have a blog called Cognizance. You can post your entries, your write-ups, your poems on the blog and feel free to share your ideas. We wanted to move a step ahead with what literature is. So we are trying to make Literary Committee as a media body. We last year launched the first ever issue of a college newsletter, Pratibimb. And we have to plan the 2 more issues of it this year also. Next is Nth Degree. You will soon know what Nth Degree is, but I'll brief it as the college magazine. College magazine is a very important aspect of college culture, and the LC of the Literary Committee lies at the heart of it. From printing, designing, editing, everything is done by LC. So, I talked a lot, but what can in fact Literary Committee give you? As I said, communication, language skills are very, very important. How many of you do feel free to speak in public? If not, then believe me that Literary Committee will give you this chance. like I got one. I would have never imagined on a personalized note that I would address such a large audience. So you will get such chances. You will know how things are planned, how management is done. I saw my batchmates, my seniors and my colleagues, how things are planned. We started with the magazine from scratch and we got a beautiful copy of colored pages which you may find out in library and other places as well. This is a literary committee we had last year. Fortunately, some of you may feature such a pic like this and you will have a souvenir to carry for years. Thank you very much. I welcome you all again. On behalf of the committee and the members, you may contact Mr. Siddharth Bafna. He's not here. But on his behalf, I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
I am Adnan Malik, coordinator of physics. मुझे पता है पीछे लोग मुझसे कह रहे थे कि सर अब बोर हो गए हैं, थक चुके हैं, 2 घंटे से बैठे हुए हैं, तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं खींचूँगा. फिनिक्स बायो 7 बैच के जतिन शर्मा सर थे, उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था कॉलेज में. फिनिक्स इज़ अबाउट रेसिंग, इट्स अबाउट फाइटिंग, इट्स अबाउट राइटिंग कोड्स, मेकिंग सर्किट्स एंड मैनेजिंग इवेंट्स. आप लोग क्लासेस में बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे, थ्योरेटिकल चीज़ें सीखेंगे. हम लोग आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म देंगे उनको प्रैक्टिकली इम्प्लीमेंट करने का. दिस इज़ फिनिक्स. हमारे 5 ब्रांचेज हैं मेनली: इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, एम्बेडेड सिस्टम्स, रोबोटिक्स, डिजिटल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग एंड क्वार्क्स. तो फिनिक्स की बेस्ट पार्ट मुझे जो लगता है वो ये है कि आप यहाँ पर कोई टीचर आपको नहीं सिखाएगा. हम होंगे, आप होंगे, स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाएंगे. सो यू विल गेट अ वेरी फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर, यू विल लर्न अ लॉट एंड यू विल हैव अ लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. Till now we have participated in a number of events across the nation, including IIT BHU, IIT Kharagpur and BITS Pilani. This year we are planning to also participate in IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur StackFest. फिनिक्स आप लोगों को एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म देता है अपने जो इनोवेशंस हैं, जो क्रिएटिविटी है, उसको बाहर निकालने का. सो वी होप लॉट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन from you guys, and we are having a meeting at 7 o'clock tonight. हम उसमें फिनिक्स को properly introduce करेंगे. So hope to see you there, and on the behalf of my club I welcome you again in this institute. Thank you very much.
Good morning. I, Soumya Methani, on behalf of Quiz Club coordinators Smriti Janu and Vinay Suthar, am representing LM90 Quiz Club Quizinga. First thing that comes to your mind, why quizzing? Why quizzing at all? In today's world, knowledge is the basic requirement for everything. Be it a job interview, a competitive exam, or maybe impressing someone. In response to this, Quizinga was started 2 years ago, and today it is one of the most dynamic and youngest club of LM90. Starting with a handful of members, we now have a great team working together. We've conducted 10 main stage events, and as you can see, we're mostly houseful. Oh, and yeah, we introduced the concept of hostel quizzing at Hangouts in the world of quizzing. We also conduct special quizzes exclusively for the club members. We have done 30 such events in the past year. Well, we also happen to have a tie-up with the Jaipur Quiz Club, which was founded by the best quizzers in Jaipur. We conducted 5 such events hosted in collaboration with Jacuzzi. The best quiz masters have hosted our events during the fest, and the best quizzers have attended it. By the way, we're the only club in LMIT to have a corporate as a title sponsor. Now you must all be wondering, why should you join us? As you can see, ज्ञान ही सबको आपका असली हक दिला सकता है. Success, sooner or later, knowledge always helps. We have very good examples of those in our club. Our quizzers have participated the length and breadth across the country and prospered most of the way. We have national finalists in Sweden National Quiz, Mahendra AQ, Rajgiri and Tata Crucible. And we were also regional champions in TCS IT Viz and Tata Crucible again. We are so far the undefeated team in Jaipur in Tata Crucible. And our club is one of the best quiz clubs in Rajasthan. At last, I would like to say, Quiz Club is all about knowledge. We participate in quiz not for a particular event or a particular genre. So you're all welcome to Quizinga. Happy quizzing, guys. And now, I would like to introduce some of our members. Our chief mentor, Kushal Shah, Mohit Taneja, Mrinal Sharma, and Himanshu Chopra.
People today, so I guess you might have forgotten me. I am Gauravi Goyal, the Associate GSEC of the Science and Tech Council. I know, थक गए ना, बहुत टाइम हो गया. Sorry यार, थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया. अब जल्दी से वाइंड अप करेंगे, ठीक है? You've seen 6 of the existing clubs. Now there's another one in our midst that started this year, Innovation Club, and it will help you nurture your ideas. 2-3 साल से खूब मेहनत कर रहे हो, फाइनली कॉलेज हो गया, मतलब एग्ज़ाम दिए, इतनी मेहनत की, फाइनली यहाँ पहुँच गए, डन, सेटल्ड. अब 4 साल में ख़त्म हो जाएगी बीटेक. व्हाट आर यू प्लानिंग टू डू नेक्स्ट? कुछ है प्लान? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो व्हाट यू आर प्लानिंग टू डू आफ्टर बीटेक? नाइस, दैट्स अ लार्ज नंबर. What about the rest of you? I mean, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, possibilities. You can go for masters, वो भी BTech, MTech, MS और MBA. You could take a job, or you could start your own venture, or you could start preparing for the civil services. How do you plan? Does anybody know a way to decide what to do next? Mike.
I think plan is simple. We should simply follow our interest. What interests us, the best guides us.
Anybody else? Okay. But if you to decide, you also need to know your options properly. And this is where we can help you. घर पे बहुत सुना था बीटेक के बाद एमबीए करने से बहुत पैसे मिलते हैं, कमाना है कर लेंगे एमबीए. पता है एमबीए में होता क्या है, एग्जैक्टली पढ़ते क्या हो? प्रिपेयर करने के बारे में तो कई लोगों को पता होता है, एमबीए में होता क्या है, एग्जैक्टली क्या पढ़ाते हैं, इंटरेस्टिंग है भी या नहीं, पता चला वहाँ पे जाके बोर हो गए. या ठीक है, पूरी फैमिली रिसर्च कर रही है, रिसर्च साउंड्स गुड, फैमिली के नक्शे कदम पे चल लेंगे, हम रिसर्च में चले जाएंगे. व्हाट इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट? एक बार पहुंच गए एंड देन यू डोंट लाइक इट, व्हाट देन? सो हाउ डू यू मेक एन एजुकेटेड डिसीजन? आई नो बहुत पका हुआ लग रहा है ना, तो थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ. दिस इज अ सिंपल वे. Try everything, but then you cannot go into every college and see what they're teaching, right? So these are our clubs, and each of them will give you a glimpse of what is there in the postgrad, what interests you. I mean, if it's robotics or image processing or networking, all sorts of things that will take a long time if you study them in your class. A lot of it is not even covered in your class. Most of it actually. So we give you a glimpse of what it is, and you can try everything. If the worst comes to worst, at least ये पता होगा ठीक है ये चीज़ नहीं पसंद, ये नहीं करनी डेफिनेटली. हम लोग जब आते हैं ना तो हमने जो सोचा होता है ना, there's a very bright probability कि आप वो नहीं करोगे. You will go into something different. Because जब तक पता नहीं है उसके बारे में तब तक डिसीजन सही नहीं होगा ना. So माई सजेशन, ट्राई एवरीथिंग एंड देन डिसाइड कि तुम्हें क्या करना है फाइनली. प्लिंथ का नाम सुना है? पीछे किसी ने प्लिंथ का नाम सुना है? प्लिंथ. Do you know what plinth is?
Plinth is annual technical fest of LMM IIT.
Yeah, Plinth is our annual techno management literary fest. It went intra-college for 2 years, then it graduated on to being inter-college last year. We had a very short duration of time to prepare for it, and it was still a relative success. This time, we have a lot more time. Next Plinth is gonna be in January 2014. So we have a lot of time. We can make this a success. But that depends on you. You are the people who decide if Plinth is a success or not. फर्स्ट ईयर ना पता है बेस्ट होता है चारों में. बेस्ट टेस्ट होता है, मतलब बहुत ही मज़े आते हैं. सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्ट ले सकते हो. सेकेंड थर्ड ईयर में थोड़ी पढ़ाई बढ़ जाती है. फर्स्ट ईयर में हर चीज़ में पार्ट ले सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती. एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी द सेम पर्सन यू वर इन स्कूल. स्कूल में जैसे डिफाइन कर दिया था ना, ये इंसान इस चीज़ के करता है, ये इंसान ये चीज़ करता है. दिस इज़ द टाइम आप कोई भी चीज़ नई सीख सकते हो, कुछ भी नया कर सकते हो. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ ट्राई. मतलब हर चीज़ में एक बार ट्राई करके देखो, एंड यू विल फाइंड द थिंग योर कॉलिंग. यू विल फाइंड योर कॉलिंग. कुछ भी कर सकते हो आप इस टाइम पे. यू कैन मेक दिस ईयर द मोस्ट फन ईयर ऑफ नॉट जस्ट योर कॉलेज लाइफ बट ऑल योर लाइफ. सो ट्राई एवरीथिंग, एंड in making it fun we can help you. बहुत टेकी साउंड कर रहा है, you know, quizzing, literary.
I have a question for entrepreneurship cell, and I want to ask that if we after the BTech program, if we want to start our own venture, would the institute provide the starting capital? No. Short answer.